Alright guys, we're back. So as you can see, I've cooked bacon again, which means it's time for another cooking video. Now I got the bacon over here, but this time we're going to make a special kind of sandwich. We're going to make a chicken finger and bacon sandwich. Now I know this probably hasn't been done before, right? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get some like sweet and sour sauce and just kind of put that on there. Put that on the chicken fingers. Right, and we just spread that on, right, get that on there, and we do that, and you know, there's no need to be light on the sauce, right? Get the sauce on there, make it taste really good, and put that on there. Yep, alrighty, we got that on, and you put the bacon on it. You know, maybe just kind of break it up a little bit there. Try and get all the bacon on there. Yeah. And if you got a little bit of extra bacon, that's okay. You put your sandwich on top. And there you have it, guys. We got a chicken finger and bacon sandwich. And you know what? I think it's going to taste pretty good. I don't know about you, but I'm in the mood to try this right now.